Hi, children. How are you all? Children, today we are going to learn a new letter. First, we'll read the pictures and then we will start learning the letter. Okay? Wow, children. Who is she? Looking very beautiful. She's a queen. Children, what is this? This is a quilt. And children, what is this bird? Quail. What is this? Quill. And these are the words start with the letter Q. Q sounds qu. Q sounds qu. Qu queen. Qu quilt. Qu quill. Qu quail. Quail on the quilt says quack, quack, quack. Quail on the quilt says quack, quack, quack. Quack is the sound of letter Q. Children, now we are going to learn how to write letter Q. Starting from the red line to second blue line, left curve that goes up with the right curve like letter O. And you have to draw a left slanting line in between the blue lines. Capital Q. Children, for small q, left curve within the blue line that goes up, come down like a standing line, and small right slanting line. This is small q. Capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q.